How many of you have robots at work automating some of your production? I mean, we've all seen them, right? Whether it's in videos or in person, you're seeing robots become much more common, a lot more versatile, and we're seeing them show up in a lot more industries. The problem with robots usually isn't the robots exactly, but the programming of each job, which requires kind of an odd combination of expertise about specific processes, like how to program robots, and how to weld correctly in an industrial setting. So robots are like CNC machines, but they're a lot more flexible. So instead of a simple XYZ command moving the XYZ axes going to a specific point, you have to tell a robot exactly how to rotate each joint. There's multiple solutions for each location. As it moves, the weight distribution changes, which loads the joints on the arm differently. So you got to consider the joint load limits, and you have to move the arm at an appropriate speed to avoid overloading any of the servos. And then you start adding the complexity of things like welding, right? You need to understand the ideal part orientation, feeds and speeds, welding patterns, temperature considerations. And so to think about accurately understanding all that welding information and then translating that into a computer to tell a robot how to do the job may seem crazy, right? Like you're going to have to pay some specialist out of the nose to come do it for you and set it up for you. But that's where RobotMaster comes in. It's similar to Mastercam in that it's an offline programming tool, meaning you'll do most of your work at the computer. You'll only really use the manual pendant at the machine for setups and minor changes. Now, Robot isn't just a digital robot emulator. It directly reads CAD geometry and creates manufacturing processes like toolpaths based on your parameters. In addition to feeds and speeds, you can also specify process-specific parameters like the weld bead pattern to ensure that it gets a proper weld, proper penetration, and gives you exactly the result you're looking for. It's really easy to learn, so your existing process experts like welders or painters can build and then optimize the robots directly. You can also post code to basically any robot, so a single welder can manage several different types of robotic cells. Because RobotMaster is designed specifically for robots, it'll automatically check for collisions, flag movement errors, keep everything at a safe speed, handle all the transitions, and it makes it easy to make simple changes like dragging a spline to control a transition move if it doesn't move how you like it. Plus, the list of potential applications is practically endless. Sanding, polishing, deburring, trimming. You could use a range of cutters like water jet, plasma, or even just a knife. You could use it to inspect parts with a laser. You could use it to harden surfaces with shot peening or other surface treatments. You can even do 3D printing to build parts that are too big for a traditional 3D printer build volume, or add material to parts on repair jobs so that it can be restored to its final shape. So if you want to maximize your shop's productivity, automate some tedious processes, or improve quality in areas that are hard to get consistent results like polishing, come talk to us about RobotMaster.